Hello everyone, this printer is HP LaserJet 103-107-108W series. What I want to do is to show you how to set this printer up for the first time from laptop. What you need to do is you need to switch the printer on, then switch the Wi-Fi button. So the Wi-Fi button is on. Then to put this printer in a wireless mode, you need to press and hold the Wi-Fi button for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You will see a warning light, then release the button and wait. The Wi-Fi light will be flashing intermittently. What that means is the printer is in a wireless mode looking for available wireless connection. We want to connect this printer with laptop. What you need to do is you need to go to laptop start. You can use Google, select google.com, then go to 123.hp.com/setup. HP Laser, software and driver. Then type the printer HP Laser 107W series. Select on it. Then select download. Then open the file. Select yes. It will show you HP Laser 103.107.108. Then select next. Agree to terms and conditions. Click next. Printer connection type. Then select wireless connection. Select next. Are you setting the printer for the first time? Then you select yes. I will set up my printer wireless network. Click next. Select wireless method. Use direct wireless connection or use a USB cable. So use a direct wireless connection. Click next. Turn on the printer. Wait until the printer is ready. Click next button. So the printer is turned on. Then you select next. Checking for device connection. Connecting to the wireless printer. Wireless network connection. Configuring the wireless settings for the printer. Wireless network setup complete. Setup successfully completed. Then select next. We'll show you software to install. HP Laser printer driver, HP printer manager. Then select next. Then click next. Show you installing. Installing software. Install succeeded. Is installing printer manager. Setup complete. HP Laser 103.107.108 software installation has been completed. Print a test page. Then select finish. So it's printing a test page to confirm that the printer is working. Window printer test page. You have correctly installed your HP Laser 103.107.108 on laptop. So this is how to connect the printer and laptop together via a wireless network and print out a test page. So the printer is ready. And also, if you look on the printer, the Wi-Fi light that was flashing is no longer flashing. Thank you very much indeed. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.